Hey, I'm David. Today I'm going to show you how to test the surface element on an electric Whirlpool range with a cooktop element that won't heat. The surface element converts electrical energy into heat, which is then used to cook or heat food on the cooktop. Before we get started, hit those like and subscribe buttons if you want to join our do-it-yourself repair community and get notified each time we post a new video guide. With over 2 million products in stock and the know-how to help you do it yourself, we are AppliancePartsPros.com. First, we're going to get our tools together. All we need today is a multimeter. And please remember to always keep safety first. Unplug your range or switch off the circuit breaker to cut the power before working on it so you can keep yourself safe. Go ahead and remove the element. You'll need to set your multimeter to the resistance setting, which is measured in ohms.
This multimeter doesn't have a low resistance setting, so we're going to use the continuity setting.
Then use the meter probes to check across the two terminals of the element. You should see 20 to 40 ohms displayed on the meter. If the reading is out of range or you see a defect in the coil, then you'll need to replace the element.
When you're done testing, insert the element back into the receptacle.
If your surface element is good, you can check out our other troubleshooting guides to find out what else is preventing your cooktop element from heating. Wait, you're leaving? I'm almost done. We've got thousands of videos to help you diagnose your appliances and make repairs. If your surface element is bad, you can order a replacement at AppliancePartsPros.com so you can repair it yourself. Make sure to let us know how the repair went in the comments. And if you like this video, let us know by hitting the like and subscribe buttons. Thanks for your support. Now you can go.